So yesterday we have seen a simple inheritance. We do have a several, like you can make it multi-level also here. So you can see now multi-level. Let's say it is having some data and let's say GH 40 string G name equal to something grandson, and it is having one method. Let's say he plays. This is yesterday's program only. Just I'm extending with this one more class. So as it is a grandson, so he can access the properties from child as well as grandfather. Correct? Agree or not? See, this is the grandson is the latest child. So who is the father of our grandson? He is the father for grandson. Correct or not? Guys,
Yes, sir.
are you agree or not agree?
Sorry, sir, kind of confused. Can you please repeat it once again, please?
Yeah, please listen. What I am saying, just yesterday's program, I am extending this program and I am writing one more class here, grandson.
Correct.
Okay. So for grandson, who is the father? This child is a father, right?
Correct.
And for child, who is the father? Father is a father,
Yeah.
right? Correct? No?
Correct.
Yeah. So this grandson, he is a grandson. He is having capability to access the properties of his father as well as his father. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Because it's a multi-level. So here, see, I will access his father properties also. Let's say I am writing int ch string cname equal to child. Right. And it is having, father is having this data. Right. So see here in this playing method, you can access his properties ch cname. So if I will write it here, bucket, is it? So here accessing child's properties. So what you can write it here?
CH, I believe.
cname. ch plus give a space and cname. Right. Okay. Now you can access his father properties as well. So what is there? His properties, mobile and surname. Here accessing others property. Actually, name you can say here. This is father's. This is accessing grandfather. Like that. So here, what is that? Mobile num. Mobile. 1 second. Mobile num, and another one is surname, right? Surname. It is
I
a
think it's
surname.
I think it's IR.
Okay. This you can give. Now you can access his properties, grandson properties as well, right? Child will have his own behavior as well, some behavior, extraordinary. Gname. Now see the constructor. So father is having constructor. Let's say grandson also you give constructor. Already we have grandson. And then grandson means this one. Yesterday I have written this. Child is having also constructor, and grandson also you can write a constructor. And here you can write grandson default constructor. Right. Now let's save this program in another file. And here inheritance, we'll write inheritance part 2. So here I'll go and here main class dot Java. Yes. Fine. Let's open the command prompt and see the program sequence. So cd Java program, something in there, the cd desktop, cd Java program, cd inheritance. Okay, morning 8 a.m. batch, cd, what is that? Inheritance, right? Part 2. Now Java C, and what is the program name? Main something. No error, Java, main class, and see. First, father's default constructor got executed. Child default constructor got executed. And here, as we are calling the method, this is getting executed. Now see, father constructor executed 2 times. Can you see that? Why? Because I am creating, first of all, tell me, total we have a 3 class. So which class object we should create?
Latest child class.
Latest child. So who is the latest child?
Grandson.
Grandson. So instead of this, you write grandson. Control V, and here what you will write? Playing, I hope so. Yeah. And yes, it is having playing behavior. From here, you can call these methods also, like get father data. You can call. Right. It is having singing, father is having singing. This sing also you can access from here. See here. Now if we'll execute. Some problem is there. Grandson ch. I have not written it properly. So here class grandson. This is fine only, right? Child extends father. This one I have closed this class, and finally I have closed this class. So I have not closed this class, I hope so. Class child I have not closed. Hey, close the door. So here, now I should not get that error. Now only one error is there. So this is my class constructor method. Already we have closed. Oops. Already we have closed this. Now where is that? Did we not close this class? This is also closed. This is also closed. So where is the problem? Oh, I have created this one also. Let me remove this one. Grandson, we have created an object. Let me compile. Now it's okay. Right. Now see. So main father DC got executed, then his child DC got executed, then grandson default constructor got executed. Right. After that, father's properties accessing 60 and child name and his age, grandfather's mobile number and surname we are accessing, then grandson properties 40 and grandson we are accessing. Now we are calling the methods of the father class, so we are getting this one. Again, we are accessing the father's surname, we are accessing. And then finally, our super father, we are calling this method. Right? So in multi-level, if you create an object of the latest child, you can access all the properties and behavior. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, let me create another Control C. Today, we'll see some magic. So I am removing first. Okay. So just remove all this. We'll see. So here, if I will write only, if I will write here, if I will write here, GH plus Gname plus Gname. Then what output you will get?
We will get 40 and grandson.
Okay. Now here also we have same thing. Int GS equal to something 10 and string Gname equal to something Gname only. I am giving any name you can give. Gname. Right. So now which one will get executed? What output you will get?
10 and
10
G.
and Genie.
Sorry?
10 and G.
The closest variable is method.
Please speak louder. Please speak louder. Please speak louder. Humble request.
The method variables will get executed.
So what should be the output?
10 and G name.
10 and Genie.
10 and Gname. Now I want to access this one. This GH and Gname.
So you will use this keyword.
Dot gate.
Hmm?
This dot.
This keyword.
Gauge. This dot gauge.
So what we can give? This dot GH and this
This dot
dot.
G name. G
Okay.
name.
Very good. You people are talented. Now, let's say also here also GH. This is also Gname. Remove all this story. Here also, this method also. Int GH equal to string correct. Now, from this grandson, I want to access his properties. Sorry. From this grandson, I want to access G age and G name. Understood what I mean to say? Instead
Child.
of this, let's see, make it as a son.
Okay.
Father, son extends. Father. Okay, father, son, and grandson. Okay, son, grandson, and father. Okay, you can say
Then
grandfather.
grandson extends son.
Sorry.
Grandson extends child. There is a class you have created. Grandson extends child.
Yeah, you can make it son, right?
Mm.
Grandson, just for naming convention, I am writing grandson extends son, son extends father. Now, from grandson, I want to access the properties of son, which is also having the same name, GH and G name. So how can we access?
Using the object.
Using the object we are creating here. Grandson. Already we are creating the object grandson.
Son's object.
You are saying, okay, let's create son's object. Very nice. Son is equal to new son. Perfect. You people are great. Now we can access like this, right? This is what you said.
Yes, sir.
Now, grandson already you created and playing here. One. Now save this as a something. Superman class. Just save this dot chat. Yeah. Now let's.
So you have to change the child that you're calling because it doesn't exist anymore.
So see here, father is singing and father is singing. We are getting. So first see the sequence how it got executed. So first father DC got executed, child DC, grandson. Now we are calling playing. We are calling playing. So from playing, what I should get first 10 and G name, and then I should get it 40 and grandson, correct? So let's see, second output is. So here what we are getting, accessing father's property 60 and child. We are getting 60 and child. Why? Is it 60 and child? Okay. 60 and child is there, right? So here 60 and child. We should get how much? 40 and grandson, right?
Yes.
Here we should get 40 and grandson, correct, na?
Yes.
Are you agree or not? Tell me first. Here we should get 40 and grandson, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. What we are getting?
Uh,
I hope
because
we are
some of the
executing previous program, right? So here Java C, what is that program name? Super main class dot Java. So we do have one option, return type required child. Wait, we will get it, don't worry. So here instead of that son, constructor name also same as class, right? Now go and compile. No error. Now Java super main class, and now you see. So grandson 10 G name 40 grandson, right? Correct or not? See here, we are getting expected output, correct?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Now, after that, again, father DC and child DC is getting executed. And finally, we are getting 60 child. So how much age is there? 60. We are getting the output here 60 child. Can you see that? You are getting 60 child, right?
Yes.
Correct, na?
Yes.
Yes.
So again, if I have to access his GH and GNAME, again you will create object of father and again you will access it, right? Correct? So you are creating a lot of objects to access data each and every time. Is it a good behavior? Then rather than this, directly you can access in the main class, the object of son class, you can access it. Son object you create and access whatever data you want. Right? It is in same file, same program, and we have to create different objects for the same class, which is in sequence, which is multi-level. All are interrelated. If all are interrelated and I need to create a specific object for each class, then what is the use of inheritance? Is it reusability working here?
No.
So see, to get the output is not a good thing anyhow. It should be efficient, reliable, and reusable. We are learning inheritance in terms of multi-level, and we have to create object of his family's member only. Means the same family member should get a pass to enter in his house, ancestor house. He should carry a valid passport to enter his own house. Right? So if you'll see in South India or North India also, the grandson will have a title of grandfather. They will give so that he will be identified. Oh, his grandfather was like that, his name. Same way in inheritance, you are trying to access super class member. See, this son is a super class of this grandson, correct or not? Son is a super class of grandson or not? See here, son is a super class, means son is a super class or father of grandson or not? Tell me. And who is the father of grandson?
Yes, son.
Son.
Right. So to access son's property, I have to create father's property. I have to create object of father. What is the use of then inheritance? Right. So this is not required here. So for that reason, we have a keyword called super. Okay. I'll tell you the uses. Don't worry. So here, See, are you able to access?
Yes.
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 Now your mind will be moving here and there. Oh, so sir, tell me if father is also having same variable name, then using super keyword, will it work? Are you getting what I mean to say?
Yes, sir.
Right. So rest your mind. Give some rest to your mind. Don't jump. First understand super. So super is the same like this keyword. So it is a keyword. Same. Next point. It is also a reference variable, which always holds the address of immediate superclass. Spelling immediate superclass.
Yes.
Immediate superclass. So spelling you can correct later. I don't know. So immediate superclass. So from here, from son, who is the immediate superclass? Son or father?
Father. Father.
Tell me. From
Son.
here, from this context, who is the immediate superclass?
It's son, sir. Son.
Son.
Son, not father. Correct or not?
Yes.
So if you have a same type of variable, so super keyword will help you to remove the conflicts between current class and immediate superclass. So that's why we use immediate superclass. Okay, super will help you to access the member of immediate superclass. So when we will use super, when child class and super class both having same variable name, that time you can use. If no same variable name, then directly we can access. No, super reference variable is not required. Correct or not? When we will use super, see here. Here G age and G name present in the son and G age and G name present in the grandson. That's why we are using super. If his names are different, these variable names are different, then no need to use super keyword. Directly we can access by the variable name, right? Are you getting or not getting?
Yes, sir. Okay.
Say why you are using this keyword? Because method variable name and class variable name both are same. That's why to segregate it, I am using this keyword. Same way, current class member variable name and current super class variable name both are same. That's why we are using super keyword, because super always holds the address of immediate super class. Is it okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Bonnie is okay. Others?
Yes, sir.
So tell, simply don't be silent so that I will keep on teaching again and again. Everyone said, did you understand? Did you all understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have a question. So,
Best.
in real time, do we use the same variables again and again?
Definitely. See, in Selenium, WebDriver will be used in so many classes, right?
Okay.
Now, wherever we have written the WebDriver code, first Java file, everyone will extending them, WebDriver. And some class will be extending those classes who is extending those, the super classes. So that time your driver equal to new whatever you are writing, driver variable will be same, na? Right?
Okay. Okay.
Yes. Are you getting? Like in
Yeah.
one Java file, you have a WebDriver class, right? And you have so many different Java file, Java classes, which is extending that WebDriver class, right?
Mm-hmm. Okay.
So that time driver, let's say driver you have declared, it will be same now. Here also, let's say this is your class. And here you have declared driver. This is your, let's say, super class. Now everyone will use this driver. Driver will be used in this his child also and his child also. Correct, no? Or will you create separate web driver for all the classes?
No.
You will be using same driver, na?
Okay. Okay.
So that time it will be very much used. So that's why page object modeling, we initialize the driver with this keyword. If someone is extending through constructor, we are initializing actually. Okay. So we'll see this. So your concept will be more useful. Just I told you the use. And practically we can see in the Selenium. See all concept, whatever we are learning, we can see the implementation when we do it practically, right? With some tool. So this is how. One example I told you. Like same driver will be used by not only grandson or son. Whoever class will extend this father, everyone will have a same instance of driver, right? So that time ambiguity may come. For that reason, super keyword will be useful, right or not?
Okay. Okay, sir.
Are you okay on this? Did you understand who asked this question, Ashish or Govind?
Govind. Yeah, I'm clear now, sir.
Yeah. So practical use you will see. Because I will teach you package. Then in package, one package father class will be there. Another package grandson son will be there. Another package, let's say grandson of grandson will be there. No, everywhere we cannot make hierarchical inheritance, right? Everyone should be interrelated. So we will use more in multi-level inheritance. So in that case. Now, add super keyword. So same way, like this also. See here, usage of super keyword. Same like this. What is the use of super keyword? It is used to access the
Parent class method.
immediate
Super.
immediate superclass variable. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
What is the spelling? Spelling is not correct. This one. Is it correct?
No, I think E will come. IMEDAATE. Yes.
Is it correct?
Yeah,
Yes,
this is
sir.
correct.
You people are very strong in English. Good. Let me learn. Now it is used to access the immediate superclass methods. Understood? And it is used to access immediate superclass. Same like this. Understood or not?
Constructor.
But how? Okay. How we will access the constructor?
Wait, guys. Sorry.
Okay.
Tell me
Okay.
what
Sorry.
you saying.
No. But how we will access the constructor? We can create object. Okay. But how we can access the constructor that was created?
Simply write super. Automatically your superclass constructor will get executed
Oh, okay.
from grandson. Let's see first one by one. Okay.
Thank you. Yeah.
Okay.
So these are the extended details. Now let's come here. Where is my Eclipse? Sorry, notepad here. So see here, this is accessing immediate variable or not? Correct or not? Immediate super variable, super class variable, right? Here what we are doing, using super keyword, we are accessing immediate super class variable or not?
Yes, sir.
Right? Super class variable, see? Now you want to access this method. you can use, if same name is there, you can use super keyword. Using super keyword, you can access. Get father, what is that? This also you can access. See here. Can you see that? Right? Now, this part is clear. Using super keyword, we can call immediate super class method. Is it clear?
Yes. Can you please scroll up a little bit? I just want to see like what. Yeah. 44 for the name. Okay.
Now, let's say from here, let's say, because here get father, same method is, let's say in this playing method is there. Here also playing method is there, right? How can you call? Let's say here, this name is also playing. I have not written any system.out println. Now let's say his name is also playing, correct? Now, if we'll use super keyword here, playing. So what will happen? And if I will write simply playing, what will happen? First see, now child class method is also same. So, and father class method is also having same name. Now from here you are calling playing using. So see here, it is removing conflict or not? Super
Yes, it
dot,
is.
is it removing conflict or not?
Yes, sir.
Playing is child class method also and super class also. But if you use super dot playing means immediate super class playing I am going to call. Can you see that? 44 and father name. See here 44 playing you call. Here how much output you will get? 44 and father name, right? But if you will write it here simply playing, then what will happen?
I believe we will get an error if I'm not wrong.
No, sir.
Error.
It will call the immediate.
What we got?
It should call the immediate method.
See, first of all, if I will write playing means, does it go to immediate superclass method?
No,
It will call current class playing method. So here is the
correct.
playing. So
And
what will
already,
happen?
I mean, I believe we will get an error because we are already in that method if I'm not wrong. Oh,
Uh,
okay.
so that is infinite loop. I taught you na recursion, calling the method itself. See, it is
Yeah,
keep on calling.
I
Finally, you
thought
will
we will
get.
get some, I thought it will throw some compile error, but yeah, it's
No, no,
keep
no,
on
no
executing.
compiler error. This scenario I told in,
Yeah. We
when I was
discussed about
teaching
this.
method, calling the method itself. Recursion. This is infinite loop. Understood? Infinite times it will keep on. See, loop will come, no? See, playing is called by from main method. Again here you are writing playing. Again it will go and call this method. Again this line will get executed. Again it will call. Calling himself. The method calling himself is a recursion. And this
Recursion.
leads to the infinite loop. Understood?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So now you got the difference. Same way this also helps us to remove the conflict. So we should not use C, it is good. Now to call the superclass constructor. So here, from here, if I will write super, now Oh.
Then super is a method
First,
or
see,
a keyword.
super is a keyword, and using super we can call the constructor also. How we are calling using this, we are able to call current class constructor or not?
Yes, sir. But we never use this like a method, right?
This we have used to call the constructor. If you will see previous
Yes,
example.
yes, yes. Yeah, and I understand.
The
But
same
here we
ways,
were okay.
same way, super we can use to call the current class constructors, immediate super class constructor, right?
By using super off.
Super. This is how we can call the constructor.
Okay.
This is default constructor.
Okay.
Super means immediate super class. So what is immediate super class constructor?
Sun.
Sun. Now see sun how many times gets executed. Is it child or son?
So can you exit one more time?
Let's wait. Grand DC, child DC. Let me change the name, son DC. And here grandson DC, son DC. Here father DC. Yeah. Sorry. Now see, father, son DC, grandson DC, correct? So this son DC is getting executed only one time, correct or not? Hello? See how many times it gets executed. First of all, whenever you will create the object of superclass, see the sequence, don't get that. Whenever you will create the object of latest child, then what will happen? Superclass constructor will get executed. Whenever you will create an object of latest child, superclass constructor will get executed. So among all these three classes, which one is the superclass?
Father.
It's the son.
Father. Father. So father first
Father.
will get executed because of creating an object. Understood?
Yes.
After that, explicitly, you are calling default constructor from grandson. That's why it is getting executed. Son. If you will not write also, it will get executed. See here.
Mm.
Now, see the difference between top output and below output. Is there any difference?
No difference.
So, what is the lesson we learned here? See, if I am, what is the rule? Whenever we will create an object of latest child,
Latest
superclass
child.
constructor will get executed, right?
Yes.
After that, his child constructor will get executed. After that, child's constructor will get executed. Is it clear? See here. First super or see grandfather constructor, then father constructor, then child constructor, right? Child constructor, this is a sequence, right? Child constructor will get executed. But when you will create an object of child class, right or not? Is it clear? This point is clear?
Yes, sir.
So whenever you are creating the object of child class, don't think father constructor will get executed. No. Which one is the super that will get executed first? After that, father and then child. Understood? This point is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now
Yes,
you
sure.
are calling the constructor using super keyword. So if you will call, if you will use this here, if you will use here, super. To call super means immediate super class constructor, right? So which one is the immediate super class constructor? This one,
Son.
right? So as per us, it should be executing 2 times, correct? One time because of you are creating an object, grandson, and one time explicitly you are calling again using super keyword, right?
Yes.
Correct or not? But already its constructor is called because you have created object of this class, so it is overriding the same constructor. Understood? That's why only one time it's showing. If let's say son, here you write in x into y. And here you pass, if you want to add it plus x plus y. And here you write 90, 90. How much? 180. Now go and execute this. Can you see that? 90, 90. Because it is a string plus integer is a string. That's why it's coming like that. Understood? Otherwise, it will give you 180. Correct, na? See here, son default 2 argumented constructor is getting. You people are. See here, if I will write it here, x plus y. What is the value of x? 90. Correct? X will come here, 90. Y value, 90. Now, how it is getting concatenated? This part is what? What is this?
String.
String.
String. Then string. After that, what you are adding? What you are adding here?
90.
Integer. Right. So
Integer,
string
yes.
plus integer. What will be the output?
String.
String.
Integer.
Again plus integer.
String
What will be the output? What will be the output?
DC to 90.
String.
String.
String plus. So that's why. Otherwise, it would have, if you will remove this, it will give you 180.
Yes.
Right? Because
Yes.
string is there in before.
String
That's why it is
concatenation.
concatenating. Right?
Okay.
Are you getting or not? If you remove this, you will get
Yes, sir.
180. What is the problem? Yeah, practice. See here 180. Understood?
Yes,
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, I have a question here. So the purpose of concatenation, okay, is to combine 2 things, right? Say for example, if I want to print something and then followed with some values, we usually use this concatenation, right? Say for example, the value of x is, and then we will provide x.
Concatenation is used as per your requirement. Like whether you want to concatenate something or you want to print the output, that depends on you, how you move it. So if you
Okay.
want to print the value of x and y, you can
In-
write the value of x equal to plus x and the value of y equal to plus y. If
Okay.
you want
So
to add this, right?
Mhm.
If you want to add this, then you can move it as you say, like you can add bracket also, right?
Yeah, sounds good. Yeah, yeah. Okay, perfect. If we
Like this all
provide,
depends on you, how you
got
behave.
it.
But
Makes
here
sense.
we
Makes
have done
sense.
string plus integer plus integer. So it will
Makes
be
sense.
finally string, it will concatenate.
Gotcha. Okay, thank you.
Intentionally, I recalled this thing so that you people, are you practicing or not? But 80% were silent.
Thank you.
You people are not practicing. Okay? This point is clear? We can call immediate superclass constructor using super keyword. Is it okay or not okay?
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, did you understand the meaning of superclass keyword?
Yes, sir.
Fine. Now, last topic. What will happen if this superclass is also having same method name, gh and gname?
Method name.
Sorry, no, super grandfather, father. His is also gname. Sorry, gname. What is there?
G name.
Integer value, something we are giving, no? GH.
GH.
And down is
G
gname,
name.
right?
G name. Yes, sir.
Now, this super of super class is also having same variable name. How you will access it here? Now tell me.
By creating the objects of the class.
Hmm? If you will create an object, then where is the use of reusability? What is the use of inheritance?
Okay, so it'll be super.
So mind will work there. So many students will tell super of super, maha super, super dot super or super duper. No, this mind, it will not work like that. Okay? This will, you try, you can try. If you want, you can try. Even when I was learning Java, that time I also understood like same thing. Super dot h. If one more super class is there, then super dot super. Aha, very nice. So it doesn't work like that. See your syntactical error you will get at compile time only. And you see that?
Yes.
Here only error is coming. Can you see? So this is not the correct way. So that's why the concept called getter and setter method. This is very much useful in the Selenium. Any tool you are using, Selenium point of view or API, wherever. Getter setter, using getter setter in the same class, we can initialize the value and we can access it. Nothing, simple. It is just like a method. Later, you will get more uses of this one in Selenium and API. See here. Now, see, I have to access all this. So what we have to do? First of all, set the value. Okay. So what I will write? Void.
Get.
See, this is the standard. To create a setter method, now for which one you want to create a setter? I want to create a setter for age. So I will write set age. Okay. And here you can pass whatever integer value is there. So I will write age. Set age, same variable, gh. And I will write here, right? This dot gh equal
GH
to,
is equal to GH.
right? Fine. Same way, I will create a setter method for gname. Right?
Okay.
So what we can write? Void
Set
set
name. Name.
Same. Just it's a standard. It's not like if you are using getter setter, just use set and get prefix. This is a standard. It will not give you any compiler error or anything if you write other than this. But this is a standard in the same class using getter setter. Even how many super of super classes are there or any accessibility issue is there, that time we can use getter and setter method. Now set G name. Right? Correct, no?
Yes.
And here,
String
what we can write?
method variable should be give anything.
We'll give, don't worry. Here, G name. Now,
Okay.
here, right, same thing. String
String
G
G
name.
name.
Right? Now, from this method, just call this. Just call this set age and set G name. Control C. First set the value, whatever you want to access. So
Okay.
Control V.
Since it is a child, we don't have to give any object name.
Yeah, simply you call
Okay.
this. Simply you
Instance
call this.
variable.
Give
Without
your
using
age,
instance
whatever
variable.
age you want. Okay.
Okay.
You want to set. And same way, set what is there? G name. Here also, whatever you want to give, you give. Let's say hello super. Right? Now, you are setting the value. From here, 99 will go. It will come here. Right? Left side is this age.
The class variable name will get updated.
From this to this one. 99.
Okay.
So that's why we do not initialize variable in the class. Okay. Just we declare.
Okay.
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 Now it will get initial. Now this GAs will get initialized with 99. Here is string what I am passing. Hello super. Can you see that? So hello super will come here and this G name will initialize with the hello super. Now we have to create a getter method for this to access this. So what I can write? Void get age. Okay. Or simply here we use returning type method. Int get age. Right. And here simply write what you can write. Return this dot age. Correct. Same way you create getter for name. So here what you can write? G name and return G name. Correct. Correct or not? So first I am setting the value. After that I will call get age. You can directly call using system.out.println because it's a returning methods, right? Returning methods can be used directly with the system.out.println. Void type of method cannot be used using system.out.println, right?
Yes.
Correct or not? So get age is a returning type. It returns directly. You can print the value. Same way. What is the method name? Get G name, right? Now see. Go here.
So I think it will throw an error.
Might be.
Yeah, that should be GH.
Okay, this is typo. Name is different. Where is that? GH, right?
Yes, yeah, that should be GH.
Anything else I missed out?
No, that's the only thing I have noticed.
Okay, so here still some G name is there. This dot G name. So how G name is there? Is it correct only, right?
Yeah, it's correct only. String we are passing, string we are getting.
G name.
Also,
Get G name. This is what we have written. Get G name. I think everything is okay. Let's see now. Save this program and compile. Yeah, tell me.
Can I please go back to this? Yeah, the error page. It says that string cannot be converted into integer.
Okay. So here.
Return type is string get name. String get name.
So here what you should make? A string. Correct, na?
Yeah, yes, sir.
That's it. Returning type should be same, compatible. Now see, you got 99 and hello super. Is it okay? Now the question is, boss, here you have created setter and getter both. But if some value is already initialized, if let's say G is already I am giving something, right? And G name also I am giving something. Let's say hello. I am giving. In that case, we do not need this, right? If already variable is initialized, in that case, we do not need this. What we need? Only getter we need. Simply you call getter and getter, you will get the output. You don't need this. You want to print actual class value if already assigned. Simply call this, right? Understood or not?
Yes.
So here you just call this. See. So even it's a super of super of super of super, no problem. Keep on creating getter setter method. Set the value, get the value. If value is already initialized in the super class, then simply call the getter method.
Okay.
Understood?
Sir, can I see what will happen if we uncomment 95 and 96? So
if you will
print
uncomment 95 and 96, then whatever value you are setting from
sending
here,
the same will be printed.
that will be updated with this class variable.
അതാണ്
GH will sorry. So GH will be GH will be updated with 99 and GName will be updated with hello super. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Just one more question. So now we are using set age, get age. This is suppose if we have one more parent class, and if we use the same name like a, so you said we can use a
Correct.
So if we have a parent for this father, in that case it will get confused, right? If we are using
so there you use super keyword. Super dot age equal to this one. Okay. If you are from here you access super class member and call that method.
Okay, I think I need to try this and maybe last one.
Yeah, you can try, like here you write father extend something like that. Let's say G father something. Just I am telling you, you can try at your home. Okay, and here class G father is there, right?
Yeah, yes.
Like that. Simple. And here you want to create. So here also you do have a same, right?
Yes.
Correct. So here if you are creating getter and setter, what you will give? Do you need to create getter and setter here?
Just
First.
get
First, from here only you can access, no? From this method only you can access. Super.gh equal to gh. Instead of this .gh, you can write super.gh. Super.gh means it will go and take this gh, right? And
yeah, but
whatever you are setting, you update.
If you are accessing from sun, is there a way?
From sun also. Like you are telling here you want to update.
Sorry, not from sun, grandson. So where we were,
So from grandson also just we are calling. We will call that method. Get age and set age. That's it. Get age and get name. Here you write it here, get age and get name. We have a get age and get name. Instead of that, you simply write super.gs, return super.gs, return super.gname. So it will give you super class member, right?
Okay. So like a chain we need to get.
Yeah, because it's multi-level, so we can make it
Okay.
chaining.
Okay. Yeah.
It's not, we can do each and everything is possible in this world. Only we have to change the way. That's it.
Okay. Okay. Yeah.
Are you getting?
Yeah. Yes.
So here we don't have to create getter and setter. Understood?
Yeah. Sir, and then I have one more question. In getter and setter right now, we are defining for individual variable, right? Like age
correct,
and then
correct.
name. Is there any way we can call or set both in one shot? Say, for example, can you
And
please
use
scroll up?
constructor parameter.
Okay.
Use constructor parameter. There also you have to use this keyword. But if it is a chaining, inheritance concept is there, getter setter will be useful.
Okay. I will try.
Yeah. Is it okay? Shall we wind up now?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, yes, sir.
So guys, from Monday, I am going to start package. See, in inheritance, still 30 scenarios are there. You people can do. We don't have to become Java developer, but it's this much uses only if you will see in the this one. See, these things will help you to understand Selenium architecture. These things will help you to understand Selenium architecture. If you write here WebDriver, I just go selenium.dev and someone in interview asking, tell me boss, the Selenium architecture, right? So don't go Google and type these blocks and all. Simply go here. Now only I am resolving your issue. Who will join Selenium or who will not join also for them. Just try to understand this. Here you go. Just I am opening your eyes here. Just go here. Where is that? This one. Now go to WebDriver. This is WebDriver, right? Now see, WebDriver itself is an interface, right? And what is the super interface? What is super? A search context. Means
Search
not,
con-
if you're not understanding interface, just understand this is one super class and super of this is search context. And these are the class. So it is extending this search WebDriver is extending search context. So see, multi-level hierarchy is there. So whatever used inside a search context, he can inherit. And what is present in WebDriver, these all class can inherit. Understood? So this is the architecture. If you will tell create architecture, then you should create like this. Don't give all bogus answer by seeing in the Google and all.
Multiple inheritance. Yesterday you told two points,
But
right?
for now you just understand multi-level. Okay.
Okay.
Because multiple interface. See here. So this is your, let's say Chrome. These all are the classes. Chrome driver class. Let's say Chrome driver class, Firefox driver class.
Firefox.
Whatever browser, for all browser they made it a class. Okay, these all are the class. Now this class,
WebDriver next.
right? So this extends, just think, this extends this one like that. I am writing like this. This extends this one and this extends this one. So here you can write. When I teach you interface, then I will change this. Web driver,
Driver.
right? And this is your search context. Understood? So whatever methods you are using inside this search context, same method will come here. You can inherit, and from WebDriver, he can inherit this method. That's why we write WebDriver driver equal to new Chrome driver. Understood? Are you getting or not? Like this. Just this is later topic, but who can understand, they can go and dig into that. If not, that is also okay. I am here in Selenium. So guys, take this program, copy right now. I'll share complete folder of all loops concept. Don't worry. Copy this program. Take another program as well. Super main class and this main class. This also I taught. Multi-level. Then notes. Notes is 4 lines. Take this notes also. Copy everyone. Everyone copy right now. Because after class you cannot copy. Your accessibility will be removed. Is it okay? Copy, copy, copy. Don't get confused. From now onwards, be very serious. Because now package I will teach. And Monday we will install Eclipse. We will start learning packages. And then we'll learn access modifier. Package, access modifiers, then method overriding, then dynamic dispatch, then abstract and interface. So by next week, all loops concept will get over, means your Java session will be finished. Arrays, collection, reading Excel data, files, exceptional handling, these all things I cover in Selenium. But whatever I have given you, this is a backbone. You will never forget if really you practiced. You will never forget in your life. If really you have practiced every day 5 scenario, 10 scenarios based on the examples. Okay, guys?
Yes, sir.
So shall we wind
Yes.
up?
Yes.
Wish you all
Have a
happy
great,
weekends.
yeah, have a great weekend.
Okay, you can.